Welcome guys to Files for You. Today we're gonna learn how to block ads from disturbing your phone. So if you are new to the channel, just subscribe and turn up the notification to get notified anytime we upload new videos. So without much ado, let's just straight go into the video. So go to settings on your phone and you click on network and internet, okay, or you search in settings, you search for private DNS, okay, private DNS, okay, here we go, private DNS. You can just search, here is it, okay, you can just search like I'm doing here, or you can click on network and internet, okay. When you come there, you look for private DNS here, and when you come here you will see select private DNS mode. You see off automatic and private DNS provider hostname. So here is the thing, here is how it works, okay. You come here, okay, click on private DNS, select the third option, which is here. Then you see this link, dns.adguard.com. You copy this link, see, I'll leave it in the comment. You just copy it and paste it here. Just when you come here on your phone, there won't be any host name provided there, so just copy or type dns.adguard.com, then you save like this. After saving, you need to turn it on by choosing private DNS. You can anytime turn it off by choosing off, by clicking on the off or selecting off. Anytime you don't want ads to distract your phone, you don't want to get distracted, just select private DNS and that is it. Save and you go back and you are done. No ads will disturb you, and that is a very simple way to block ads from distracting your phone. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and also share.